Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our next week in our horizontal spreads, and I've got the sticker books that I pulled from right here, and then a wax paper spread again this week. I did a pre-planning video with this spread, so if you're interested in how I went about that process and just some tips on how to do pre-planning with any spread, go ahead and check that video out. The pre-planning video will be available next week following this video's release, so if you're watching this when it comes out, just be aware that the pre-planning video will still be to come, so be on the lookout for that. This week I decided to go with a purple and teal theme. I was inspired from the horizontal sticker book. I had pulled that out with the intention of using it since I haven't given it any love since I purchased it, and looked through and I liked the theme with this purpley tone and then the teal. I noticed that the flowers that were in it existed in more than one book, so I went into the botanical sticker book where I remember seeing some of the black and white flowers and was able to pull those in, as well as some other elements that were tied with like the black in the spread. This is going to be a really quick one, you guys. I used those books to get with the purple, teal, and then black, and basically after that it was just looking for decor and elements that I could use to fill in my checklist and my focus boxes. So it was pretty straightforward once I figured out what I was doing. The overall look and feel of the spread is kind of random. There's not really a specific pattern that I was going for. Just wanted it to be all like each day its own thing and no checklists or focus boxes all grouped together into one spot. And I'm going to do a little bit of layering here with some stickers that I pulled. I originally had it layered a little differently, but I decided I wanted that flower to kind of break through the green tape header there, so I was making an adjustment. And I also cut up this quote. I tried it all in one piece, but it was just really throwing my spread off, so I decided to cut it, and I think it works a little better. It's a little less heavy and it draws your eye a little bit less. It was just the words, and I added in that flower there that you see on Tuesday, and then you'll see the same thing on the opposite side. There'll be text and then some more flowers, just to kind of make it feel like a cohesive moment on the spread. I also pulled some checklists in pink, not pink, I keep wanting to say pink, purple and green throughout, some as bullets, some as actual lists. The lists I believe came from the horizontal sticker book, and then the other ones I believe came from the faith sticker book. And there was a limited amount of the teal, but I think 2 is fine up there in the corner just because there's a little less room for writing as far as vertically, but horizontally there's enough room. And now I'm just trying to position this flower so that it feels right on the spread and doesn't cover up too much. And I trimmed off a little piece of it because it was like hanging into the words and making it hard to read. This sticker box as well was a little bit weird because the circles inside of it had been cut all the way through when they punched it for foil and they put the foil down. So they're like a little bit loose, the circles inside of the green checklist focus box. And I'm trying to alternate my checklists as I like to do, so it goes bullets and then list and then bullets and then list throughout the week. And here's the sticker that really started it all. I saw this purple box sticker and I thought it would just be perfect for this spread. I really liked the way it looked and I liked the flowers inside of it, so that kind of kicked everything off, and made me go through and look for more in those colors and with those floral patterns. And as usual, I am trying to use all the bits and pieces when I trim off clear stickers, placing them around anywhere that it feels like I could use a little bit of extra foliage. That looks good, but not on top of that flower. So let's see. Let's try to find another place to put this. I'm sure that I can find another spot. Okay, just gonna do a little bit of adjusting and we should be all done, friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.